guys, this is part 2 of taking the glitter off. This is basically part 2. We're gonna take it off with a tweezer because my nails are too long. Let's get all the glitter stuff by each other and all the glitter stuff not by each other. Okay, I'm going to start with the black one. I'll be back when I'm done with it. But I think also is gonna put 3 of this because it's too much glitter. This is gonna be part 4 of the woman tonight. Okay guys, ek is klaar met alles. Ek het soos bietjie pompoms ingesit en net mooi gemaak. En met die ander het ek het ook. Hulle almal het hulle clean shines in. Dit is so sly. Nou gaan op paar 3 toe om my te sien drama en maak. So, this is die einde van die video. Peace out.